What's up guys, it's Seth Fowler and I'm in Tokyo today and for the next 3 days because I'm making a quick stopover on the way to the Philippines for Sneaker Expo. This is actually my first time in Tokyo, and even though it's going to be a short stay, I'm going to try and cram in as much as possible. I literally just had the best shower of my entire life. I left my house in Philadelphia on Tuesday morning the 9th at like 5 in the morning. I flew to Chicago, then I flew direct from Chicago to Japan, and I landed on Wednesday the 10th. It is now Thursday the 11th, and I had my first shower since I left home. That's disgusting. But I'm really excited about today. I do have to say that in the last like 16 hours that I've been in Tokyo, I have never felt so completely lost in my entire life. Like, I've traveled a lot. I have family in Malaysia. I've been to Asia many times. I've been to Europe. I've been all over the place. And a lot of times by myself. But in Tokyo, this is the one place that I don't understand anything. I went to the robot restaurant last night, and that was an experience. If you guys follow me on Twitter at all, you know that that was something I was going to do, and that was something that OhItsTeddy actually recommended against. And I wouldn't say that he's right, but he was right. It wasn't the best thing in the world. So now the plan is to go get some traditional Japanese breakfast in Shinjuku, and I'm in Roppongi. It's like a train ride away, and I'm starving. I think I might also try and hit up a cherry blossom garden because apparently they're in season right now, and probably meet up with Teddy at some point. So let's get to it. Breakfast was a success. I spilled miso soup all over myself and I couldn't open the door, so that was a great way to start the day. Well, yo, I ran into Teddy.
I'm out here, son, living in Japan.
And he put me onto these vending machines, and I shouldn't curse in my vlog. Love Dr. Pepper. Is it different than in the US?
It seems the same to me. First time I came out here, they seemed different.
Right.
But to me, it seems the same. The can might be a little different.
You got Coke Lime too?
There's a lot of stuff hidden in Japan. You have to go search it out.
It's only 20 flavors here, not 23. Isn't it 23 in the US?
There might be some Jordan 40 and slip also.
So the Dr. Pepper was good, but we're gonna try something else.
There's a black label apple one.
Yeah.
And the apples are grown in this one part of Tokyo. But it's always sold out in the vending machines. It's not that one.
I'm surprised you're sitting too. What do you think? Obviously, you dig them.
I think the colorways are just like, for the price points that they are, the colorways are just too similar.
I agree.
You know, like,
that's crazy. Right, I can't believe you agree with me on that.
Yeah, but I also don't care. Like, I don't think it's a bad thing in the sense of, like, from a building standpoint,
right,
like a company standpoint, it makes sense.
Right.
Because you need shit on the shelves.
It's crazy that this stuff is still sitting too. Like, I can't believe these guys are sitting. It's kind of nuts.
That shoe died.
Really
quick, never
too.
had anything to live on. It's just hype, bro.
This colorway's not bad. You don't like that? Of the mesh?
Dude, this is bad. Come on. That can't be stable.
Yeah, I'm surprised they have all this stuff too. They've got the acronym Prestos as well.
Their shoes. They got some shoes.
Oh, they got some Dragon Ball Z stuff too, man.
Oh yeah, that shit's sitting all out here.
I can't believe it. It's really sitting out here, all this stuff?
This shoe got canceled.
No way.
The whole Pro Fear.
Really?
It's done. They canceled it.
What do you think of the 19s?
I hate this.
Really? Oh no, I think they look awful, but they feel good.
I haven't put one yet.
Really?
I haven't put a single pair on yet.
They feel great. It actually fits your foot a little bit better.
Yeah, the upper seems nice, like a true sock. This right here is just disgusting. Like,
oh, I agree.
Why is this not like that?
I don't know. I was wondering the same exact thing, because all the other Adidas Boost shoes are like that. Yeah. So me and Teddy are hitting up Harajuku, I think it is. We stopped by this store called Beams, which had Yeezys. It had the Dragon Ball Z collection. Teddy's taking me to get a pizza bun.
Yeah, pizza bun.
Oh, and apple juice too, possibly.
Possibly.
It smells great in here, man. It's crazy. Tomato juice? What is this?
It is pure tomato juice.
Yuck. Strong zero?
Yeah, that shit the 9% boys.
Damn, okay.
Seth just said anything. I don't know if this is shrimp and mayonnaise.
That could be good.
You want shrimp and mayonnaise? You're a baller. I'm into it.
You think?
You're down?
Yeah.
I can't eat shit like that.
Well, what do you recommend? Like, what's good?
I would say probably this one, the one that's sold out. Tuna mayonnaise is good.
Trying new things every day.
Yeah. You can get your sake here. You can get turnt in Japan. And they do at night.
I'm just gonna go for it, man. No regrets, dude. Here we go. God. This is mayonnaise and shrimp. I'm good. So now Teddy's putting me on to pizza buns.
Yeah, we gotta have one.
How is it?
Yeah, we're not eating these.
They're not good?
Give me yours.
I'm gonna eat it. What are you
No,
talking about?
we're going to get the right ones.
Wait, seriously?
Yep.
What's wrong with these?
It's not the right one. Sorry, Seth. Be right back.
Apparently it's not the right pizza bun. I have no idea. But I'm going for the Coca-Cola peach. It's all right.
Coke peach.
Yeah. It's okay.
Most people report an aftertaste with the Coke peach.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I haven't had it.
I actually tasted the peach most when I was first drinking it. I think Teddy's getting his first pair of
Yeah, those. That's not. I had a bunch of Air Maxes, son. I was the Air Max god when
Really?
these motherfuckers were sucking on baby bottles, bro. Bro, you have no idea. I was on AOL ordering Air Maxes that only dropped in Australia through like Nike Talk because I had to have the shit nobody had. Like that was when you had to do actual footwork for some shit. You know what I mean?
I might actually grab these.
Oh,
Yeah.
put them on the wall though.
Okay, so I got a pair of the 40s, the ZX4000, so I'm gonna try on, see how they fit. They might not have my size. I think the wall size is the last size. That seems like what they're talking about. Oh, they got the KD12s as well. Been wanting to try these for a while. Well, since they dropped, not that long. So unfortunately, this is the last size. Now that like I can't have them, I want them even more.
Like we're like reversing back into like freeform tongue. I mean, I've said that they shouldn't just put Ultra Boost uppers on them, but at the same time, like, why is this shoe $400? You know what I mean? Like.
Got a whole bunch of night joggers if you guys are into those. The white ones, got the green. I actually have this pair here. The black ones. Crazy, they still got these. Why do you think they're sitting? Is it just the colorway?
Yeah, I just think that it's, colorway, and that I think they're just getting used to having them everywhere.
Yeah. Well, what do you think of this colorway?
I like it, it's just too damn close to that other one.
Yeah. So I got the low top Jordan 1s, which I know Teddy loves.
Ooh. Looking like an MC rap. The hard one to like wear casual.
It really is. The shape is kind of weird. I mean, I like it, but it's just not exactly my thing.
These two kind of fell flat. I liked it.
Yeah.
Like the first experience with it was comfortable, but I don't find myself wearing them that often. Not this particular one, but
Right.
the model or whatever.
So we're at another store with both Yeezys. It's kind of nuts to see them. Oh, what's that?
Crazy color though. It's gotta be a girl shoe.
So we're in Harajuku, the sumo wrestling area. Just walking around seeing what's good. It's pretty dope.
Goku probably means fighter, I bet.
Okay.
I mean, what does Goku mean in...
Dragon Ball Z? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I've never watched it.
Just piping hot, son.
Teddy's taking me on a food tour of Tokyo.
Wherever they moved it from. That was the old one. It looks like there's a new one over there. And these are the offerings that people have brought. Salt.
Teddy and I decided to stop by Akihabara to see all the, I don't know how you describe it.
Anime. Mostly anime.
When I was walking around like the areas of Japan that I'd been to, like this morning and yesterday, I didn't, you know, that's not what I thought of when I thought of Japan. This is what I think of when I think of Japan.
Get your fucking sit, and then you got your cop, you go home, you don't get robbed. All day, son. Diabetes.
Gotta refresh.
What'd you get in Japan? Diabetes.
For the penguin.
Penguin? The gotcha penguin.
You get one or you get multiple?
You get one.
Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like this size. We pop the shit up.
I don't know, Seth.
Here it is. There you go. I think we're gonna go grab food now because I mean we're still hungry. We just had that like shrimp or whatever it was, but I mean I know I'm still hungry. I know Teddy's still probably hungry, but this place is nuts. Like, this is where you go if you're into gaming or anime or anything like that. I'm not really into any of those. I like playing games on my PlayStation, but that's about it. But this place, whew, this place is something else, man.
Do you like spicy ramen?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So it is the morning of day 2. I just hit up 7-Eleven and it's like what, 6 in the morning? Jet lag is still killing me. It's crazy. I went to bed at 7 last night after I left Teddy and woke up at like 4. I also got like really sunburned yesterday, which is annoying because you know, it was not that sunny outside yesterday. Before I meet up with Teddy today, I'm gonna eat like a quick salad. I was gonna be adventurous, because I'm like, I'm in Japan, you know, it's a new city, I should be adventurous, but it's 7-Eleven, so I'm not gonna be that adventurous. They had like a grilled fish sandwich, and I was like, I don't know if I'm messing with that. I also got milk tea. I like milk tea. I don't know if this brand's any good, but I mean, there was like a bunch of them on a shelf. And it was like only this brand, so I'm assuming this is like a popular brand. If you're from Japan, let me know in the comments. I also got candy. It's the only English word on the front is candy. I'll show you guys some of the other stuff that I tried. Coca-Cola with lemon and vitamin C yesterday. I mean, it just tastes, well, let me try. There's still a little bit left. It's gonna be gross because it's like the next day and it's been open for 24 hours, but let's see. It's like a really lemony Coke. And then I also got Japan Cola Pepsi, which I assumed was gonna taste just like regular Pepsi. It's like a little bit different than regular Pepsi. I think it tastes more like Coke, honestly. Maybe it's because it has less sugar or something like that, but you know, I can't read the labels because they're all in Japanese, so I have no idea. I guess the last thing before I get to editing is I want to show you guys what I picked up yesterday. So while I was with Teddy in Harajuku, which is like the streetwear hype capital of Tokyo, we went to this place called Re-Squad, and I got this really dope shirt for, I think it was like 50 bucks. And I say that because the quality of the shirt is incredible. For a $50 shirt, it's nuts. Ultraman shirt. I don't know anything about Ultraman. Like I've seen the show or the movie. See, that's how much I know. I don't even know if it's a show or a movie, and it's one of those things. It's like because it's such nice quality and because it was from a store that actually makes some really great like Japanese streetwear. It's not like one of those sort of like cliche touristy like pickups. You know what I mean? Like it's actually something dope. I wasn't gonna say anything about the salad, but this 7-Eleven grilled chicken salad is actually fire. Yo, we're back again with Teddy.
They were sore.
What's up?
My legs woke me up because they were sore.
They were that bad? How do you feel about the 720?
I thought I liked this model okay when it didn't see swooshes all over it,
right.
But it's not. It's weird. Dude. The glittery one's weird.
Yeah.
don't know, man.
So I went into like the third undefeated store that I've been to in Tokyo to get something for my girlfriend or fiance, Jordan. And no, I ended up getting something for myself. Classic. So I just found out that Teddy actually does Siri when he's tweeting back.
You hear my voice, Teddy. Now no one's tweeting me, so there's like nothing to say. Yeah, I do it all the time. It's funny in the train station and they're all wrong. Or the payout. ... I just think YouTube is whack, which is why I told him to. They don't normally have this on them.
It's weird. You gonna get them? Try them on?
No. They do not make shoes in my size here.
Really?
No, hell no.
What are your thoughts?
Whatever.
Yeah. Is it prime knit or is it?
It looks like it.
I didn't like the ones that were like that mesh. They just didn't feel as good on foot.
What mesh?
Like weren't the BBCs with like the stripes on them, like some sort of like mesh? They weren't prime knit, right?
No, they're prominent.
Really? Oh shit.
This one looks so much like the 500 because of the color.
Oh yeah, it does. So they do actually have the 40s in pretty much every size, I would assume, because there's so many on the floor.
Every store.
At every Adidas?
I mean, so far.
Is 40 just not hype anymore?
40's never hype, bro. They lie. YouTubers lie.
I think it's dope. It feels nice to the touch, but it doesn't feel great on foot. Like yesterday, I was really about it. I was like really trying to buy it. I think I rethought because I spent a lot of money on food yesterday, so I think I'm gonna have to let this one go, but should I get it?
This one's gonna blow your fucking mind.
Yeah?
Yeah. Best crate. Best in Japan. Best in Tokyo.
So Teddy and I hit up Koenji just to kind of walk around, see what's good. It's like a lot of like second. What would you call it? Like
Vintage stores, secondhand shops.
sushi time. Yeah, it's me. What the hell? Let's get it.
That's seasonal menu.
Here we go. So it looks like now that we're done with our sushi, that's it.
That's it, yeah. I think we're done. We're gonna have a lot of editing to do.
Yeah, we really do. It's been a blast being in Tokyo. It's been crazy. Hopefully I'll be back soon. Now I'm heading to the Philippines to do the sneaker show. That's gonna be a whole different video. But Teddy, thank you so much for everything, man.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it. And of course, if you guys want to check out his channel, it's awesome. Links in the description below. It's worth checking out. But I'll see you guys in the next one.